What if I told you Apple is making a $500 billion move that could change everything? Yes, you heard that right, $500 billion. This isn't just another business expansion. It's a massive transformation that could impact the stock market, global technology, and even your next Apple device. But what exactly is Apple investing in? And why now? Let's break down the details of this game-changing investment and what it means for you. Apple has been at the top of the tech industry for years, but now they're making one of the boldest financial decisions in history. According to recent reports, Apple is planning to invest a staggering $500 billion over the next decade in cutting-edge technology, artificial intelligence, and advanced manufacturing. But why such a massive investment? Let's take a look at three major areas where Apple is putting its money. Artificial intelligence, the future of Apple's ecosystem. Apple is all in on AI technology, with competitors like Google and Microsoft ramping up their AI capabilities. Apple doesn't want to fall behind. They're expected to invest billions in AI research, enhancing Siri, improving iPhone automation, and even developing AI-powered MacBooks. Imagine a future where your Apple devices understand your needs before you even say a word. Expanding manufacturing and supply chain control. Another major area of investment is manufacturing. Apple is shifting its supply chain strategy to reduce reliance on China. With tensions rising between the US and China, Apple is expanding production in India, Vietnam, and the US. By controlling more of its supply chain, Apple can avoid disruptions, lower costs, and even create more jobs in key markets. Revolutionary product innovation. What's next? Apple isn't just investing in current technology, it's also planning for the next big thing. There's strong speculation that a large portion of this $500 billion will go toward Apple's future products, including the highly anticipated Apple Car, the next generation of Vision Pro augmented reality headsets, advanced M-series chips for even faster and more efficient devices. Each of these innovations could redefine entire industries, just like the iPhone did back in 2007. What does this mean for Apple's stock? If you're an investor or thinking about buying Apple stock, this move is huge. A $500 billion investment signals Apple's long-term confidence in its growth. Wall Street analysts believe this could lead to a major stock surge, making it one of the biggest financial plays in tech history. Final thoughts. A bold move for the future. Apple isn't just maintaining its dominance, it's redefining it. This massive investment could revolutionize AI, tech manufacturing, and the future of Apple's product lineup. But the big question is, will this be a success or a high-stakes risk? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think this $500 billion move will pay off?
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on investing and financial success. See you in the next video.